we are going to learn how to calculate our profit or loss in Forex. Learning Forex trading involves getting to know a small amount of new terminology that describes the price of currency pairs. Here is where we're going to do a little math, just a little bit. Once you understand it and how to calculate your trade profit, you are one step closer to your first currency trade. You've probably heard of the terms PIPs and pipettes, and now we are going to explain what they are and how their values are calculated. So, what is PIP? PIP is an acronym for percentage in point. The unit of measurement to express the change value between two currencies is called a PIP. Many currency pairs will move about 50 to 100 pips a day. Sometimes more or less depending on overall market conditions. PIP is used to indicate the fourth decimal place in a currency pair or the second decimal place when JPY is in the pair. As an example, when the price of the EUR/USD moves from 1.12000 to 1.1250, that's a 50 pips movement. If you bought your USD at 1.12000 and sold it at 1.1250, you'd make a 50 pips profit. Now, let's see how to calculate the PIP value. There are so many currencies you can trade in Forex, and each currency pair has its own relative value. It's important to calculate the value of the PIP for that particular currency pair. Let's give you some examples. Let's pick the EUR/USD pair. Let's say its current market price, EUR/USD, equals 1.1200. To be read as 1 EUR to 1.1200 USD, or 1 EUR/1.1200 USD. So here PIP value will calculate as follow as the value change in counter currency times the exchange rate ratio equals PIP value, 0.0001 USD times 1 EUR/1.1200 USD, or simply as 0.0001 USD divided by 1.1200 USD times 1 EUR equals 0.00008928 USD per unit traded. Using this example, if we traded 10,000 units of EUR/USD times 0.00008928 USD equals 0.89 USD. One PIP change to the exchange rate would be approximately 89 cents. Here is another example using a currency pair with the Japanese yen because Japanese currency pair only goes to 2 decimal places. To measure 1 PIP change in value, most of the other currencies have 4 decimal places. In this case, a 1 PIP move would be 1 Japanese yen, 0.01 JPY. So here, PIP value will calculate as follow as the value change in counter currency times the exchange rate ratio equals PIP value, or simply as 0.01 JPY times 1 GBP/123.00 JPY. 0.1 JPY divided by 123.00 JPY times 1 GBP equals 0.0000813 GBP. So, when trading 10,000 units of GBP/JPY, each PIP change in value is worth approximately 0.813 GBP. I know that everything said here may be a little confusing, but if you want to start trading, you can count on us to do this job for you through our analysis and trading signals. Let's continue. Now, let's see. What is pipette? There are Forex brokers that quote currency pairs beyond the standard 4 and 2 decimal places to 5 and 3 decimal places. A pipette, or fractional pip, is equal to a tenth, 1/10 of a pip. For trading purposes, let you know if the first currency listed in the pair is always the directional currency on a Forex price chart. If you pull up a chart of the EUR/USD and the price is moving higher, it means that the euro is moving higher relative to the USD. If the price on the chart is falling, then the euro is declining in value relative to the USD. That's pretty much it, guys, for today's lesson. I hope now you can calculate your profit or loss in Forex. See you in the next lesson. Till then, have a good time.